They call it the blue peptide of youth. But here's the twist. It's already inside you. Or at least, it used to be. Back in the 1970s, researchers at the University of San Francisco made a strange discovery. While studying blood plasma from young volunteers, they isolated a small copper-binding peptide, GHK-Cu, that literally reversed aging effects in old human tissue samples. In their lab notes, they wrote, "Old cells began behaving like young ones again." That was 1973. Since then, more than 40 years of studies have explored this one molecule, and it keeps showing the same thing. GHK-Cu reactivates your body's natural repair system. When we're young, our blood contains high levels of it, around 200 nanograms per milliliter. By the time we hit 60, those levels drop by more than half, and that decline matches everything we notice on the surface. Thinner skin, slower healing, weaker hair growth, lower energy. But scientists discovered something powerful. When GHK-Cu is reintroduced, even topically, the body remembers what to do. In one 12-week clinical study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, participants who applied a GHK-Cu cream saw significant improvements in skin thickness, firmness, and elasticity, with a measurable drop in fine line depth. Basically, their skin structure began behaving younger. That's the topical route. The surface level. Think of it like a whisper to your fibroblast cells telling them, wake up, rebuild, restore collagen. Each molecule binds copper ions, that beautiful blue colour you see, and delivers it where your skin needs it most. And copper isn't just aesthetic, it's vital for wound healing, antioxidant defence, and enzyme activity. That's why dermatology researchers call GHK-Cu a biosignal peptide. It doesn't force change, it instructs change. But there's another way this molecule works. Deeper down, subcutaneously. In animal models, and even early human data, subcutaneous delivery of GHK-Cu has shown faster wound closure, increased new blood vessel growth, and lower inflammation markers. One study from Wound Repair and Regeneration found that diabetic wounds treated with GHK-Cu healed up to 50% faster than untreated ones, with stronger collagen fibers under the microscope. So whether it's applied on the skin or delivered beneath it, the mission is the same: reactivate the body's built-in healing signal. But here's the catch, and this is where a lot of people go wrong. GHK-Cu is fragile. If it's stored warm, mixed incorrectly, or oxidized, it loses that vivid blue tint. And with it, its biological activity. That's why serious peptide formulators and compounding pharmacies keep it cold, dark, and freshly reconstituted. So when you hear people online say, "I tried it and nothing happened," it might not be the peptide's fault. It's chemistry. Topical or subcut, the science is consistent. GHK-Cu boosts collagen and elastin, increases hair follicle size, improves angiogenesis, and even activates genes linked to antioxidant defense. In one genomic analysis published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity, researchers found GHK-Cu positively influenced the expression of over 4,000 human genes related to healing, nerve growth, and stem cell signaling. That's not marketing, that's molecular biology. So think of GHK-Cu not as a miracle anti-aging compound, but as a forgotten message. A signal your body used to send every day, now silent. And when that message is restored, your skin, your hair, your recovery, they all start listening again. Because aging isn't the loss of youth, it's the loss of communication. GHK-Cu is the translator that reconnects your body's repair network. And in the next video, we'll break down how that translation works, how GHK-Cu binds copper, switches on repair genes, and outperforms even vitamin C and collagen activation. So if you want to understand the science behind what's actually possible, subscribe because we're just getting started.